One of the activities that I like to do is teach a dog to target, with dogs that are a little nervous with hands, is to teach a dog to target your hand with their nose. Pretty simply done. Actually, most dogs pick it up pretty quickly. We did this a lot when we worked at the shelter. All three of us used to work at Stray Hearts for the really feral dogs that didn't want to be touched or approach with me. So take a treat, stick it in your hand, and you just put it down. You do like a big step back and kind of swing your hand to the side. You end it at the side of your body. The dog comes over because it wants the food. It's going to eat the cookie. And we go, yay! And it eats the cookie. And we give it to it. And you repeat this and repeat this and repeat this. Then you do it without food in your hand. So same thing. We're going to stay at 4. We draw ourselves back. The dog comes over thinking we still have food there. And touches our little hand, thinking maybe there's food. And then as soon as we feel that little nose touch our hand, we yay! And we feed, feed, feed. And so the dog starts to learn how to target hands. However, emotional learning is always happening in the background. So maybe approaching hands and having hands near me is not so bad after all. And it's a great way to get them approaching people, interacting with hands to start with. Just started getting them more comfortable. This dog is having some issues with a dog that moved into the home. She's saying that it was fine at first, but she's starting to have some issues when the other dog's coming inside the home. So if we're not sure if the dog is just being a bully, or if the dog doesn't like the other dog, or maybe it's guarding, this is my home and I don't want to share it anymore. When we're a little unsure of the reason why the dog is acting like this, we're not really sure, we can ask for an alternative behavior. So that's where like the leave it comes in again. How about instead of yelling at the dog entering, we leave it. The dog comes running over, we feed heavily. 2 things happen. The dog's redirected. It's no longer doing that thing we didn't want it to do. Every time the other dog comes into my home, I get cheese. So maybe I like it now that the other dog's entering my home. Does that make sense? Okay.